Hello students, as you know, yesterday we have completed the chapter number 7 and today we have to do the question answers of chapter 7. Who will play with me? मेरे साथ कौन खेलेगा? Yesterday I have explained you this chapter properly. I have told you the Hindi meaning and hope you have read it and you understood it very well. Now, before starting this chapter's question answers, let me tell you once again about this chapter that there is a boy in this story, in this chapter named Rohit. He does not like to go to school every day. He don't like study. Sorry, he does not like study. He just like to play only. So one day he went in a garden in the morning, and what he saw there, he saw that nobody was there. Matlab not a single children was there, single child was there to play with him. Then he saw animals were there, birds were there, and he went to them and he asked them, "Will you play with me?" But not a single creature said, "Yes, we will play with you," because they all were busy in their own work. Like the cock were dancing and dogs were caring of their master's house. So like that, no one was ready to play with Rohit. Finally, in the evening, Rohit realized this, that each and everyone is busy in their own work. Then why I am free? I also to be busy in my work. So from today, I will do my work, my homework daily, every day. I'll go in the school every day and I'll not miss the school for a single day. So finally he came back at home and he decided that from tomorrow I'll go regularly in the school on the time, and I'll complete my work, my homework on the every day in the notebook, or in the evening for 1 hour, for an hour he used to go for play, and at that time he gets a lot of friends to play with him. So he was very happy, and because of this habit, when he became changed, each and everyone was happy with him, with his change. His teachers were happy, and parents also feeling proud on him. This was the story. Now, activity first. In activity first, question number 1 is there. Write activity first. In activity first, question number 1. Question number 1. Write T for true. Write T for true and F for false statement. Okay. Number 1. We should give up laziness. क्या हमें अपनी जो लेजीनेस है, आलसीपन है, उसको त्याग देना चाहिए? Yes or no? We should give up laziness. So it will be true. Yes, we have to give up we should give up our laziness. Okay. Question number 2. The peacock is free to play with the ball. The peacock is free The peacock was dancing and it was busy. So it will be false. Next, third one. Rohit plays with his friends in the morning. Rohit plays with his friends in the morning. रोहित है वो मॉर्निंग में अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में खेलता है. No, in the morning all the children go to school. So Rohit play with his friends in the evening. It will also false. Last, there are many children in the garden. Fourth one. There are many children in the garden. There are many children in the garden. It's true or false? Obviously false. Because there were no children. वहाँ पे कोई बच्चा नहीं था. Okay. Now we will do question number B. Question number B. I hope you are getting me. And if you have any doubts, I am telling you the hard words, Hindi meanings, everything. Still, if you are getting any problem to read the chapter, to understand the chapter, you can send your doubts in assignment. Okay. Question number B. Choose the correct alternative. Choose the correct alternative. Number 1. A punctual boy. Does not miss his school. एक पंचुअल बॉय जो होता है वो अपने स्कूल मिस नहीं करता है. डज नॉट वर्क ऑन टाइम, जो अपना वर्क हमेशा टाइम पे कंप्लीट नहीं करता है. डज नॉट मिसयूज थिंग्स, जो थिंग्स का मिसयूज नहीं करता है. या फिर डज नॉट वेस्ट हिज टाइम. ऑब्वियसली कौन होगा? who does not waste his time. Does not waste his time. Option number B. Okay. In second, who is not willing to work? Who is not willing to work? So what would be the right answer for this? There are 4 options: peacock, dog, parrot, या Rohit. Obviously Rohit. This one also different part. Third, laziness is best for us. Laziness जो है वो हमारे लिए क्या है? Good, bad, useful or helpful? obviously bed. Okay. Part number B. These were the MCQs, multiple choice questions. Now we will do question answers. As already I have told you in every video, I used to tell you that while doing homework in your fair notebook, just ask for each answer with 2 lines with the pencil. Okay, question number C. Answer the following questions. Okay. Question number 1. Why did Rohit find no friends? Why did Rohit find no friends in the garden? Why did Rohit find no friends in the garden to play with? To play with. So what will be the answer? Rohit found no friends Rohit found no friends in the garden because all his friends had gone to school. All his friends had gone to school. Understand? When Rohit went in the garden to play in the morning, at that time, not a single child was there, not a single friend was there in the garden. Why? Because all his friends had gone to the schools. Okay, now question number 2. Why did the birds and animals? Why did the birds and animals in the garden not play with Rohit? In the garden not play with Rohit. Means whatever, whichever animals and birds were there in the garden, why did they not play with Rohit? वो रोहित के साथ क्यों नहीं खेले? So answer will be all the birds and animals in the garden were busy in doing their own work. Were busy in doing their own work. Therefore, they did not play with Rohit. They did not play with Rohit. Understand? Last question number 3. In the end of the story, question number 3. In the end of the story, Rohit's parents were happy with him. Rohit's parents were happy. Why? Means in the end of the story, the parents of Rohit were very happy. Why? वो इतने खुश क्यों थे? Let's see the answer. Rohit's parents were happy with him. Rohit's parents were happy with him in the end of the story. In the end of the story, because he had now become a punctual boy. And had given up laziness. So guys, these were the question answers of chapter 7. Hope you understood. You will get these question answers in assignment also. So do them properly with good handwriting, and do not forget to mention the chapter number, chapter name and date. Till then, stay home.